Sunflower farming and harvesting. Sunflower oil production processing. Do you know the common fact of how they got their name? Let us tell you. They're called sunflowers because they turn their faces to the sun. Their scientific name is also helianthus. This is derived from the Greek word helos, which means sun, and anthus, which means flower. Many of you don't know that this flower has many colors, like yellow, red, orange, and white, the most unique of them all. And they definitely have their symbols according to their culture and native ideas. This flower is trendy worldwide and a national flower in Russia and Ukraine. Hope you guys will enjoy this video until the end because of the flower's popularity and its special meanings in different colors. History of the sunflower. This flower is native to North America. 4,500 years ago, it was first grown as a crop by the indigenous tribes. These crops were used for many purposes, like milling the flour, and its seeds were roasted to eat whole. They were used in baking bread and cakes. In America, sunflowers were cultivated in their original bushy form. It was planted to produce a single-stemmed flower. Also, Americans discovered that the flower could produce oil for cooking. When it was cultivated as a crop, its oil was used as a sunscreen, and its pigments were used in dyeing things purple, like hair color or textile decoration. Even their stems weren't useless. Their sturdy and strapping stems utilized Z in the constructions. It remained in North America for 4,000 years until European traders found them in 1510. But the Spanish sailors were the first who gathered a large number of seeds and took them back to Europe. The time period during the 1700s was when sunflowers' development was growing faster than ever before. They had spread from Europe to Russia and Ukraine until the beginning of the 19th century. In the early 1800s, the crop area of this flower was 800,000 hectares. As the cropland of the sunflower continued to grow, the market for the crop was subdivided into two clear-cut areas: oil seeds and seed consumption. Sunflower farming. Sunflower farming involves growing sunflower plants for their seeds, oil, or as a decorative crop. It requires well-drained soil, ample sunlight, and proper irrigation. Harvesting typically occurs in late summer or early fall. The seeds can be used for food, animal feed, or as a source of oil for cooking and industrial uses. There are two main types of sunflowers: oilseed and non-oilseed. Oilseed sunflowers are grown for their oil, which is used in a variety of products such as cooking oil, biodiesel, and animal feed. Non-oilseed sunflowers are grown for their seeds, which are used as a snack or birdseed. Sunflower farming can be done on a large scale as a commercial operation, or on a smaller scale as a hobby or for personal use. Many farmers also rotate sunflowers with other crops, such as corn or soybeans, to improve soil health and reduce pest pressure. Sunflower harvest process. Once sunflowers are completely dead, their stems are turned brown and flowers are withered away from beauty. Then, to be sure, the time has come to harvest them. Once they're ready to harvest, the machine sets around one row. This machine is called a combine. It works automatically. It spreads the flower part from the head, and on the other side, it puts all the seed parts into a container attached to the other side of the plant. Meanwhile, in this process of separating petals and seeds, the machine chops the stem and the rest of the flowers for birds and animals to feed or compost accordingly. This machine saves a lot of time. Even its new models work according to the type of seed, whether they're shell seeds or remain without shells. To work accordingly, this machine also has a drum with it. This rotating drum has teeth to crush the shells and helps the seeds to free from the shells. And at the end, seeds are cleaned and stored according to their size and quality. Sunflower oil process. Sunflower oil production has the following manufacturing process: choosing the seed type, separating types accordingly, cleaning of the seeds, grinding process, pressing process, and wrenching out process. When these procedures are done, then the procedure of making the oil to edible form begins. Flavors, colors, solidity, and odors are added to refine that oil. An edible oil is ready. Yet, there are some steps like mixing the citric acid to maintain the quality and temperature according to the utensils and climate. And finally, the sunflowers are done completely. Now, oil is ready for packing, and here is the end of the video as well. Sunflower crops cultivation. Sunflower crops are essential for seed oil purposes in the country. It has a value because of its light color, aroma, flavor, and high level of linoleic acid, which is suitable for patients who have heart issues. Sunflower seeds contain 48 to 53% of edible oil. Let's see what further details are regarding the other processes. Soils. Sunflowers can be grown in many soils, from sandy soil to loam soils to black soil. But perfect loamy, well-drained and fertile soil gives you the best results. It can tolerate a soil mixed with a large quantity of alkaline as well. Avoid sowing it into acidic, waterlogged ground. To get a good yield, January is the best month for sowing sunflowers. Spacing. Perfect spacing between plants plays a good role in the fast and healthy growth of the flower. 60 centimeters of space should be used between the rows, and 30 centimeters of space should be kept within plant-to-plant distance. Hopefully you like this video. Please check out the cotton farming video. And don't forget to join our wonderful community by subscribing to the channel. Stay tuned with us till the next video.